morning. Oh, it was cold and now it's warm. Who knows what's going on with the weather? Oh. But first, coffee. Lovely. Hope you're all well. Yay. Hope you had a great weekend. If it's the after the weekend that you're watching. If it's not, I hope you had a great week. Yeah. It is actually Friday, but this will go out on a Monday. Need the time to edit. Gosh. Oh, let's get this door properly propped. Yeah, that's it. Seedlings are still alive. Woohoo! Oh, and Philip Reed, you're right. I need to trim the lower leaves off your. Yeah, I don't know why. I thought I'd done enough, but actually looking at them, there's too many. So it just needs to fit 2 tips. I think. I don't know. One tip seems too much, but hold on. Slurp. Delish. I'm really enjoying this. Coming here first before I go to work. I really am. It seems to sort of set me up for the rest of the day. Plus it means I've got more time in the afternoon for cooking vlogs and whatnot, because that, you know, that does take its time. Oh, just have a look, just watch while I'm just trimming. Can you see okay? Yeah. Something to do with the energy being pushed upwards. See, I think maybe because that's got 2 there, there's another one there, so I'm going to risk it and cut that one. But that's way too many. Perhaps that one as well, because there's 2 there. They seem quite tall now. They do remind me of palm trees. There's a palm tree look to those. There really is. Oh, right, let's get back. A time like this. Hopefully they're okay. Sort that out later. Yeah, what am I doing today? I'm going to continue. Oh, sorry, change your angle slightly. I'm going to continue. Can you see? Painting this. I really want the second coat on, so that next time I come, or the time after that, depending on what needs doing, I can do the blackboard or start the blackboard. Yeah. Oh, yum. So do that, and then whatever time is left over, find a random job. There's plenty of them. Hence needing the blackboard. Because I can't think of all the random jobs in my head. I have 7 jobs, but there might be 30. A random number. I can only keep 7 jobs, maybe even less than that actually, because right now I can only recall about a few. I'll try and think. Weeding, that's the obvious one. That's an ongoing, never ends thing, a bit like washing up. So weeding, removing old plants, sorting out the compost. I mean, the list goes on. I mean, let's think. So sorting out the compost bins, the old water butts, that's what I'm thinking. They need dealing with, because then I can start using them. Carrying on collecting nasturtium seeds. And so, some of you mentioned, because you confirmed that they were the seeds, and how they will, I mean they will, if I leave them, I will, I'm bound to not be able to pick them all. No way, not with that amount. But I will keep on top of it come spring, or when they start to appear. But definitely try to get them in the borders. Really want them in the borders, because they're fantastic, and they're really, bees and whatnot love them. What else? The front, this flower garden area, I've sorted one half of it out, but this needs, and in fact the sunflowers, I want them to go to seed, so I am leaving them, but that kind of is that area. So raspberries, need to move the raspberries once they've finished their fruiting, because they are fruiting at the moment. I'm not really collecting them, I'm not really bothered about them at the moment because they're all in the wrong place, but I need to, once they have finished fruiting, I need to work out, do I cut them back and then can I move them, you know, that kind of thing. If anyone knows, do let me know. Then there's the strawberries, the same as. So there's lots and lots and lots and lots of jobs over the winter. The big pile of earth behind the shed, because I can't even paint that side of the shed while that's there. That's got to be added to the list. And that's the frog pond, aka the swimming pool, for Jim and Maureen. What else? Oh my god, so many. It's great though, because it's just, you know, it's like over the whole winter. I'm not going to be short of jobs, even when it's cold. Because a lot of you who've been with me from the beginning know that I started this channel in January, and I came every morning, obviously Monday to Friday, because I had there was lots to do, and that's when the robin visited me really frequently. So that, you know, I'm really sure we're going to see that Mr. Robin again, once it gets a bit colder and he needs more food, and then I might start feeding him like the mealworm and whatnot. Because when I did feed with the birdseed, the magpies and the pigeons kind of worked out that if they knocked it, it dropped onto the floor. So yeah, I'll have to sort of look at that. But even just digging over just a little patch of ground they love. I want to dry some sage herbs here, sort of from there maybe, because I did use the dehydrator in the air fryer, and it was great results, I think, because I don't really know what it's meant to look like. It was very fluffy, very dry but very fluffy. I'm not sure if that's how it's meant to be, but it smelt really lovely. I love fresh herbs, I have to admit, but you know, dried herbs have their place, and you know, when you want to throw in a bit of flavour and you don't, I'm not anywhere near, because it's all at the allotment, or the plants. I don't know what sage does in the winter, I actually forget. Does it die back? So I do need to cut some. I might even do that today, because that's one of those little jobs that you can really squeeze in. So let's get the paint out. I've got this nice little Frenchic paint opener. Can you see that? When I got the Frenchic, I'm just looking at my battery. Frenchic paint. I do need to order another Frenchic paint for the shed, but I have to wait till funds allow. Same old story. Right, let's get set up and get you on. This is going to be time lapse. I like time lapse with painting. I always love seeing its massively fast progress. So yeah, I'm going to hang you up on the wall. I'll show you where I put you. I kind of slip you in there, and it has a nice vantage point of over there. Right, let's do that. second coat done, fantastic. It's really hard to tell. I mean, I'm going to not do any more coats, so I really don't care if it's not perfect. It's a shed. So brilliant, because next time I come I can do the first coat of the, I need masking tape though. I have some, but I'm not sure if I've got enough. I've also cut some sage, which I'm going to hang here, and hopefully, can you see it? Oh, where are we? Oh yeah, it dries. Well, it will dry. It'd be interesting to see if it's better than the air fryer. It will take days and days. In fact, I have no idea how long it will take. Probably weeks, maybe a month, maybe longer. If any of you have done this, yeah, let me know. Let me know what your results are. Right, it's time for work now. Oh, charge the fan up. Oh, do you know, it's fantastic. I love this fan. I do want to. I hang it from here normally, so I'm going to move it actually. And it just lasts for absolutely ages. It's brilliant thing. Right, let's get this moved back so the sun glare isn't too strong. Oh, while I paint, I don't know if any of you are Agatha Christie fans, but I'm currently listening to The Moving Finger. Not the, I think it might be just Moving, no, it must be The Moving Finger. Anyway, Agatha Christie, Miss Marple, love it. The BBC productions on the radio, they're on Audible. Yeah, I had, before that, I've just finished Jeeves and Wooster, if any of you listen to him, the one with Richard Bryars as Bertie Wooster. And who was Jeeves? One of the really good actors from back in the 70s and 80s and like, oh, I can't remember his name. It'll pop up here, but brilliant. Yeah, thanks Philip Reed for alerting me to the whole, you know, cut the lower leaves off. I'm really glad you prodded me to do that. Yeah, have a lovely day, whatever, or evening, whatever time you're watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye. Because I hadn't really looked at the rhubarb, but I've just googled it and it is actually in season from April to late summer. So I've picked these. I'm going to take them home. Have some, create some, I don't know, rhubarb jam. Yeah, back to the goodbyes because I've already done that. See you later.